Here at LADbible, we've come to a decision. We're going to start our own country. Seems a bit ridiculous. Well, it's about to get more so. There's been a huge mucking issue growing over the last 20 years that everyone has conveniently turned a blind eye to. Plastic waste. 8 million tonnes of plastic get dumped into our oceans every year. There is so much of it that in the North Pacific there is now an area of trash the size of France. With no one doing anything about this country-sized problem, we thought we would by turning it into an official one. So welcome to the Trash Isles. We teamed up with the Plastic Ocean Foundation, and on World Oceans Day, we submitted a Declaration of Independence to the United Nations to seek recognition of the Trash Isles as an official country. If we can make it a country, we are protected by the UN's Environmental Charter, which states, all members shall cooperate in a spirit of global partnership to conserve, protect and restore the health and integrity of the Earth's ecosystem. Which essentially means, by becoming a country, others are obliged to clean us up. We only have 4 criteria we need to hit for the UN to recognise the Trash Isles. We need to be able to define a territory. Check. Form a government. Check. Be capable of interacting with others. Check. And lastly, we need a population, which is where you lot step in. Your signatures on our petition will help force the UN to approve our application. Become a citizen of the Trash Isles today and help ensure the world's first country made of trash is its last.